So okay, so you listen to on the radio. So no. If I'm listening the radio on my then neutral part and then sorry.
Mga ka-Pismi, welcome back to our channel. Dito na kami sa border ng Armenia. Ito, Armenia na to. Doon, Georgia. Sobrang bilis lang ng process. Parang 1 hour drive siya mula Tbilisi papunta dito sa border. Kasi yung papasok na kami ng Armenia. Sa next stop is Armenia Passport Control. So yun po, mamaya po ulit.
For a nice price.
So yun po, andito na kami sa Armenia border. Ang bilis lang, super bilis lang. Dami lang tao. Less than 15 minutes. Wala namang ibang tinanong kundi yung e-visa, copy lang ng e-visa. So yun lang po, tingnan natin kung anong pwedeng makita sa Armenia. Ito yung border.
So two people we are working for this way. Now one is working here, one will be.
So, andito na kami sa unang stop. Few meters away lang from Armenian border. Nagpapalit kami sa loob ng Armenian border. May parang bank doon. Ang 100 gel, 13,000 lang namin nakuha. 13,000 in Armenian money. Pero dito sa loob, mismo ng grocery na to, meron silang exchange na yung 100 Georgian lari is 14,500. So mas malaki dito. So dito dapat magpapalit. Tsaka ang mahal ng pagkain, ang mahal ng ano. Supermarket Arm Exchange. So yun po, maya na po ulit. Doon na tayo sa loob ng Armenia. Tingnan natin ano makikita natin.
Now we go to see the three monasteries, Akhbat, Akhtala and Signagi. Akhtala is a Georgian church built in the 2nd century. And we have Signagi and Akhbat, which those are 10th century, 966, 976 churches. Those are UNESCO. They're making a logo.
Yeah.
ambassador. He painted, at his time, he's painted everything. On the top.
Okay.
That's the place where we go after this. So after this we go to have lunch and then we go to Sanahin. And those two are fully connected with each other. And the names are also connected. So I'll tell you now the story. Georgians, they do chichi because in Georgia they have the wine and the bread at the time of service. In Armenia it's not, they don't use it. So the Georgians, they put it here with always and started to make the wine, but later